This is Team Paho and Team Reactor.
Hey guys, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel guys, Art Sassy guys. So may nag-request guys na patugtugin yung music niya guys na remix na si DJ Romar PH of Team Paho of Team Gimaras, Team Reactor of Gimaras. So please support guys, Team Paho at saka Team Reactor of Gimaras. So tingnan natin guys yung sound check ni Team Brothers sa request niya guys. Let's go.
This is Team Paho and Team Reactor.
So ayan guys, no, nakita niyo yung sound check ni Team Brothers sa remix ni DJ Romar remix of Team Paho and Team Reactor. So please support guys, Team Reactor at saka Team Paho. So follow lang guys kay DJ Romar PH remix of Team Paho at saka Team Reactor. At saka kung gusto nyo guys magpa shoutout, please comment lang guys sa YouTube channel ko. Tsaka mag ano lang guys, message kay Team Brothers Mini Sound. May page siya guys na ano sa Facebook. So i-message nyo lang guys si Team Brothers Mini Sound kung sino magpa shoutout guys o magpa music ng kanyang mga remix. So sunod At saka guys, sa bro ko pala na si F Sasi, may YouTube channel siya guys. Please support guys, F Sasi. At saka sa pamangkin ko guys na si DJ Arbijon Remix, please support din guys. At saka sa isa kong pamangkin na si James Hauro channel guys, please support guys. Pakitingnan lang guys sa baba ng YouTube channel ko guys, may link dyan guys. See you next video guys. Bye bye, hanggang sa muli.